Social media influencers, what have they got to do with banking and mergers and acquisitions? Well, quite a lot as it turns out, because today Japanese financial giant Softbank have entered into a deal with Manchester-based brands and e-commerce company The Hut Group. Matthew Moulding, who runs The Hut Group, was one of the founders and is still a shareholder, is actually somebody who self-deprecates. He said that he usually has terrible luck in predicting where his particular investments will go. However, he's a billionaire and very successful one at that. The two companies have joined forces in the form of a 20% share purchase by the Japanese bank, which will be part of an interesting development within the company, which is a new technology division. Now, Softbank value that particular technology division, which is due to come to fruition very soon, at $6.3 billion. So therefore the Hut Group acquisition is quite significant, because that in itself is worth $1.6 billion. So maybe they're just playing it down. However, if you look at the share prices this morning, Softbank's shares have gone a little bit down, and the Hut Group, which is listed on the London Stock Exchange, is also a little bit down. So maybe investor confidence is a little bit less than it might have been in what could be considered quite an unorthodox mixture between two very different companies. However, if you look at some of the tech company investments in some fashion and retail companies in the past, they have created some quite interesting and quite dynamic modern ways of doing business. For example, Amazon, one of the world's giants, that started off as a book warehouse. Now it's an internet company with a web services division and so forth. It's not just a delivery and books firm, it's more geared towards a whole internet company. So therefore, when you look at deals this particular size, especially backed by very astute Japanese banks such as Softbank, it may well be the next one to watch.